Welcome to the Algo Art AI Euro 2024. This tournament will see 24 of Europe's best AI football teams battle it out to be crowned the champion of Europe. Today's Group B match is between Italy and Croatia. These two teams are next to each other in the FIFA World Ranking. It is the closest we have seen in this tournament. It is impossible to guess who will win. The match will start in a bit. 2 versus 2, first team to 10 goals wins. And we have kickoff. Croatians attacking first. The Italian defender struggling with the ball there. And it's snatched by the Croatian striker and he scores! Here we see the Croatian striker snatching the ball and scoring a goal. The Italians attacking from the start and scores! The Croatians defender left an open goal and the Italians took advantage of it. 1-0. Oh, what an unfortunate goal. The Italians smashed the ball at the Croatian striker, but it landed up on his own goal. The Croatians almost scoring there. The Italians are defending well, soaking up all the pressure from the Croatia players. Still defending. Ooh, he missed the ball there. Oh, and Croatians found a way through in the end. The defender tried to stop the ball but was unlucky. Oh, a quick goal from the Croatians. One bounce on the ball straight into the net. Croatia is 4-1 up now. And the Italians have pulled one back. Nice goal from the striker. Croatia is 4-2 up. And almost scoring there. Both teams are playing very tightly. Keeping it tight. Still in midfield. No one seems to be going for the ball. And the Italian striker finally did and scored a nice goal. How did he get through that? The Croatians almost scored. Oh, but the Italian defender made sure Croatia scored by scoring an own goal. Nice shot from the Italian striker. Open goal, ball on the leg, straight into goal. At this midway point, let me explain how we train the AI models that control the players. For each team, we look at their FIFA World Ranking. The higher the ranking, the more games its model gets to train on. Italy is ranked 9th and their AI model is trained on 1.7 million games. Croatia is just one rank lower, so their AI model is trained on 1.65 million games. This difference is hardly significant in the AI world, so expect a tight game. Talents on the strike. Oh, the Croatian defender left the hole and the Italian striker took advantage of that. There we have the hole and the striker took full advantage of it. 5-5. Croatians almost scoring and the Italian defender made sure of it. Terrible own goal from the defender. Oh, the Croatian defender almost scoring an own goal. Oh, which he did this time. And a terrible own goal. Six all. Nice goal there from the Croatians. Total domination. The Italians never actually touched the ball. Oh well, with some help from the Italian defender, Croatia has scored a goal. Croatia now 2 points ahead. Oh, and with the help of the Italian defender, they are now 3 points ahead. Terrible own goal at this crucial stage. Now it's match point for Croatia. Both teams are playing very carefully here. The pressure piling up, and the Italians have scored a goal. The striker got in behind the defenders, and it was an open goal. Second match point for the Croatia. And somehow the Italian striker sneaked it through. Nice footwork there, getting it through the defender. Oh, open goal. And the striker has pounced on it. The Italians are back. They have leveled up the score. It's 9-all, match point for both sides. And the Italians have scored and sealed the game. What a tight match this was. What an amazing game. It was tight from the start. And then Croatia pulled away and got 3 match points and looked like they were going to seal the game. But the Italians came back and they sealed the game. And it ends up with Italy 10, Croatia 9. And this is how the table looks like in Group B. Italy up in front with 6 points, Croatia still with 0 points. Spain and Albania to play next. So please stay subscribed.